Guys, Casper cryptocurrency holders, traders, followers. It is Sunday evening, the 16th of October. It is 7:24. Coming back on here with another video as Casper is pumping, currently up 14.2%. So we're on a daily chart as usual, tradingview.com as usual. Couple things to keep an eye on as time marches on here. So obviously Casper is pumping. I mean, this has got to be one of the most picture perfect cup with handles I have seen in a very long time. It is textbook. It is perfect. If you were going to write a book, I would put this chart in it. Assuming we don't reverse hard and end up way down here. Here's your cup. Perfect rounding shape. Your nice wedging handle. Your buy point, 380. And then the classic, very, very strong breakout. So that is a good thing for those who are either in Casper or those who bought the breakout at 380. So, a couple things to mention here. I'm just cleaning up the chart real quick. Thanks to all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully you're all doing well this evening. And yeah, maybe you're even making some money here in Casper as it breaks out quite nice. Couple things to mention. So this morning in the shorts or in the regular long version of the video, I told you I had a target. One of two targets, we'll say, for this breakout was at 0.0466. So that is this horizontal line right here. So let's say you bought the breakout, you bought the entry there, which would have been at 380 or close to it, would have looked for 466 to be either a full profit taking area or maybe 3/4. That target was hit not long ago, actually. We almost got to it on well, I guess in theory, today's candle, the 16th, we hit a high of, let's see, 463, and we were at 466. And then the 17th, which is Monday's candle, has been pumping to our next level. So we, for Monday's candle, we hit that 466 target. That is really nice. We didn't stop there. We actually continued to pump up to the 509. That's 0.0509 level. That is based off of the depth of the cup. So the high of the cup, the high of the pattern, the low of the pattern, and add that to the entry, gets you up here to that 509 level. So way up here. It's actually a little higher. I think it was like 5.0522 actually. And we hit a high of 5.5. So it definitely got to that target right up in there. My personal level was 509, but the actual exact depth of the base was up there at 522. So what to look forward to here in the hours or days ahead is we are finding resistance at the 509. We might even pull back below the 466. There's no saying that will happen, but I am not surprised to see the price reacting at 509. The upper lines here on the chart can act as overhead resistance, and that could mean it could be a couple minutes, a couple hours, days or weeks, etc. It'll usually hit that target, have some kind of a price reaction, before continuing either up, but usually it continues lower for some period of time before breaking back above that, turning that into support. So right now we have 509 as resistance. And until it gets above that and continues higher, and whether it closes above that and turns it into support, so far that is resistance. Target number 2 is hit. Definitely a nice spot, in my opinion, to lock in profits if you are trading this pattern anyways. If you are a buy and hold, then this is just pure enjoyment. So we'll see what happens here. Do we blast higher up into the 727? I don't think that'll happen. Of course, I could be wrong, not financial advice. But there is a reason I don't think that's going to happen. One being the upper levels here, the horizontal lines on the chart above the market are resistance levels, below the market are support levels. So number one, we hit that 509, and you can see by the candle it is getting pushed back below that as resistance. Number two, as I zoom out here on the chart, there is prior overhead resistance and a lot of it. One being over here in, looks like that was the end of March. Let me circle that for you. So the price got back up to there and is getting pushed back down, which is normal to see. And then once again over here, we have it in, let's see, July. So there is a lot of noise up in here that the price might take some time to react before getting back into that trading range. And you can see we pumped back up to that zone right around that 509 level, and that correlates perfectly with these bottoms, that bottom in July, and then this bottom was a little bit higher in that 547 area. So would not be surprised to see the price cool off a bit here, perhaps trade down for a day or two, or just chop around sideways, and then if the markets accommodate, perhaps continue higher. But so far, there is resistance at 509. That is normal to see. Let's see if we close between 466 and 509, or do we even wick lower and close below 466. And then we have two resistance levels, 509 and 466. But you can see if we go to what is today's candle, the 16th, is you could see we pumped through 435, which is a resistance level, closed below it. You can see by this candle right here. And then our next candle had that momentum, which is actually Monday's candle, the 17th, pumped through that level. So now it's support. I mean, it could close below that still. We'll see, but so far it's looking pretty strong. We pumped through 466, so that is, in theory, support. But we found resistance up here at 509. Now, this candle has many, many hours to go. This candle could close much, much higher. This candle could close much, much lower. Who knows? We will see what happens here. But so far, this is, like I said, a picture-perfect breakout. You don't see these, at least I don't see these too often. And it is a sight to see. And who knows how many people are trading this pattern, but congratulations to anyone who is. From the buy point to where we are currently at, give or take a couple percentage points, up about 28 or so percent. Hey, that is not too bad. Those who were able to scoop up some Casper down in here, which is one of our levels at 224, you are sitting pretty, looks like you're up well over 100%. I mean, that is not too bad when the stock market is probably down close to 30% for the year. It's definitely close to that. So that's enough of me rambling on. Welcome to the channel, all the new subs. Like I said, if you are new to the channel and you want to buy Casper or XRP, I have an Uphold link in the video description. It's an affiliate link. I appreciate anybody who decides to use that. I do get an affiliate commission. Thank you ahead of time. So throughout the night into Monday morning on the East Coast, keep your eye on 509. Keep your eye on 466. Both areas of where the price could find some struggle to get back above. Wouldn't be surprised to see the price cool off a bit, perhaps trade down a little bit to sideways before continuing higher. That doesn't rule out the fact that they could pump this up to another level that we have up here, 727. So always be careful stepping in front of a very strong breakout like this for the short sellers. But for the long traders, in my opinion, if I saw the price cool off a couple percentage points between these levels, 509, 466, wouldn't be surprised, wouldn't worry. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Appreciate all of the new subs. Appreciate all of the interaction in the comments. Hopefully, just hopefully, some of my levels I share here with all of you guys who follow the channel have been helping you to navigate the market, the Casper market, I should say. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your night, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.